Well, we got to keep it moving, keep it rolling along here. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's tech editor, Dan Halley, to get his take on what took place between both of these calls. Dan had kind of one headphone in for Microsoft, one headphone in for Alphabet. Dan, what did you gather?
Yeah, I think it's just a tale of two calls almost, where Google was kind of a snooze fest. Microsoft, it sounded like they were all mainlining Red Bull the entire time, super amped on the AI discussion. And I think if you look at how both companies are trading right now, that's kind of what you would expect based on those calls. Microsoft up more than 8%, Google just up 1%, and they actually had fallen back pretty significantly from when they initially announced. A lot of AI talk on Microsoft's side. Google really, I think the big thing is, their continued to improvements rather at ad sales space. And, sure, they're going to have to talk about AI as well, but, it just still feels really like Microsoft is continuing to dominate this conversation as far as AI goes. And I just want to go real quick to what we're seeing from folks on Twitter as far as the AI aspect goes. We asked some of our readers who is winning the race so far, and 56% so far say Microsoft. It's just
Wow,
getting,
that's closer than I thought it was going to be.
yeah, Google getting kind of blown away at 34%. And then Baidu and Bibbidi Baba, Alibaba down at 3.5%. Not sure anybody's really kind of clocking those as much, but people on Twitter
Put some
really just
respect
kind
on
of talk.
Ernie's name, Dan.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. People on Twitter, they're kind of saying, look, Google had sales of measly 3% year over year, basically saying, look, the bar was low, they did well, big deal. Others saying that, look, both Microsoft and Google beat on earnings. That's really good. So the tech story's still alive.
Yeah, absolutely. Just lastly here, Dan, as we're taking a look at the results of that poll, I got to know who you voted for.
I think Microsoft right now, man, it's hard to vote against them. They're doing pretty good.